Hi everyone, here is Teacher Frank for your weekly English lesson. I hope you are fine. And first, I wish to all of you a good year, happy new year, a good health, and to be happy with your family. It's really important. And to study well, it's also very important. Okay, so for today, let's take a look on the lesson. Okay, so we continue on Unit 5, where animals live. Okay, so this is the third lesson. Okay, so let's take a look on that. And today we will study with your book, page 48. Let's talk about animals. Okay, so we will take a look on that. So today, just one page because we have a text, okay, and a couple of questions. Okay, so I want you to read this text 2 times. I will start to read, so take your time and do your best on your pronunciation. Okay, so I start to read, and after that we will check the questions together. There are many kinds of animals. Some animals live on land. Some live in rivers, seas, and oceans. Land animals live in forests, grasslands, and deserts. Tigers, bears, horses, some snakes, deer, monkeys, and chimpanzees live in forests. Lions, zebras, giraffes, kangaroos, and cheetahs live in grasslands. Camels and some snakes live in deserts. Some animals live in the sea. They are sea animals. They are fish, dolphins, sharks, whales, jellyfish, octopuses, seahorses, turtles, crabs, and starfish. Okay, so first, let's take a look on some words, okay, and some keywords, okay? So we talk about the main vocabulary. Okay, so first, repeat after me. Rivers, rivers, seas, seas, oceans, oceans, forest, forest, grassland, grassland, desert, desert. Okay, so this is the main vocabulary about where the animals live in general, of course. So we have the rivers, the seas, the oceans, forests, grasslands, and deserts. We can also talk about mountains because you have some animals who live in the mountains, okay, and many other places, obviously. Okay, so about the vocabulary, so we have the places and we have the animals. Okay, so take a look on each animal and you can go on Google and type and take a look on the picture, but I'm sure that actually you know maybe 90% of all the animals in this text. Okay, so now we have a couple of questions about this text. Okay, so take a look on the question. I will read it. After that, read the questions 2 times and fill the rectangles below. Okay, do you see the rectangles? Okay, so you can fill the rectangles in your book with a pencil by using small letters because there isn't enough space to write, okay, because we have a large amount of animals. So here we don't have enough rectangles for that. So try to write with small characters, small letters. Okay, so I read the question first. So say the answers and complete the chart in your notebook. Okay, so where do sea animals live? Where do sea animals live? Where do land animals live? Are seahorses land animals or sea animals? What animals live in the grasslands? So you can make your sentence just after the question, okay? You can make your sentence and your answer, okay? So click on pause and try to answer the question, sorry, just after we meet for the answers. Okay, so first, let's talk about the animals in general. Okay, so do you see the chart below? Okay, so we have a couple of rectangles, animals on the left, on land, on the right, in the sea. On land, we have three classes, three groups, forest, grassland, and desert. So first, let's take a look on that. In the forest, there are tigers, bears, horses, snakes, some snakes, not all the snakes, deer, monkeys, chimpanzees. On grassland, we can find lions, zebras, giraffes, kangaroos, cheetahs. And in the desert, we can find camels and some snakes. We can find also scorpions in the desert, okay, and some kind of mouse, okay. In the sea, fish, dolphins, sharks, whales, jellyfish, octopuses, seahorses, turtles, crabs, and starfish. Okay, not so difficult, huh? But it's good for your pronunciation. Okay. Now let's take a look on the question. Where do sea animals live? Obviously, they live in the sea. Number two, where do land animals live? Obviously, they live on land, but they can live also in the forest, the grassland, or the desert. Number three, are seahorses land animals or sea animals? They are sea animals. Okay, so you can type on Google about seahorses and you will see, I'm sure that you know this animal already. And the last question, what animals live in the grasslands? So we answered already. Okay, let's take a look on the right, and there are lions, zebras, giraffes, kangaroos, and cheetahs. Okay, everything is okay for you. If not, you can make a review just after the lesson. And for this week, the lesson is over. So first, good job. Thank you to stay focused. Take care of you, take care of your family, and again, Happy New Year. Bye-bye. See you at school.